Today, I'm going to show you how to grow big, beautiful potatoes using nothing but a 30-gallon grow bag. No in-ground garden needed, and this method can help you have a huge harvest in a small space. Let's get started. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the garden. If you've ever wanted to grow potatoes but don't have a lot of space, this method is perfect for you. Today, we're planting potatoes in a 30-gallon grow bag, and I'll walk you through every step from soil prep all the way to mulching. So, first things first, let's talk about soil. Potatoes love loose, well draining soil. You don't want heavy, compact dirt. What I like to use is a mixture of 50% high quality potted soil, 30% compost, and 20% aeration like perlite or sand. Now, we're going to amend this soil. We're adding bone meal for root development, bone meal as a nitrogen boost. We're going to mix everything together really well. This is going to feed my potatoes all season long. This is some of the seed mix that I made myself. And as you see, it's very healthy, it's loose, and ready to be placed into the grow bag. Now, let's talk about the seed potatoes. These are not grocery store potatoes. These are specially grown for planting. These I purchased from a company called Wood Prairie. They are dark Norland red potatoes. If your seed potatoes are large, you can go ahead and cut them into chunks. And you want to make sure that each has at least 1 or 2 eyes. Normally, when my potatoes are oval size or the size of an egg, I do not cut them. Also, too, there's talk that you have to let the potato scab over before you put it into the ground, or in this case, a grow bag. I don't necessarily follow that, and my potatoes have been just great. So I'm taking my soil that I made and I'm pouring it into the bottom of the grow bag. We want to have about 6 to 8 inches of soil into the grow bag. So I'm going to move the soil around, make sure that it's evenly spread out. And then I'm going to take my seed potatoes and place them evenly into the grow bag, approximately 4 to 6 inches apart. So after we get the potatoes into the grow bag, we're going to go ahead and move it over into grow bag row and add more soil on top and then some mulch. So we're here in container row and we have brought the bag over. The potatoes are settled in. We have added, I want to say 8, 9 potatoes into the bag. Next, we're going to add soil via time lapse. Well, we're going to give them a drink of water. And we have planted some red Norland potatoes. Now, here's some quick tips to remember. You want to keep your potatoes moist but not soggy. They constantly are going to need to be watered. They need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight, which isn't a problem here. And once as I mentioned before, once the plant grows and you start seeing your greenery, you want to continue to add more soil on top. And that's known as healing your potatoes. And later on this summer, we should have a nice supply of red potatoes. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got something out of it. Let me know in the comment section, are you guys growing potatoes? Is this method similar to what you use? Now, in my first 2 plantings of my of potatoes this year, we didn't use this method. We just, in this bed here, we just took the potatoes and planted them very deep and covered them with a lot of soil and mulch, and they came up. It's similar, but just a little different. If you enjoyed the video, leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. I'll see you in the next one. Remember to give the thanks to God. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.